Hello friends, welcome to the lesson 4 of affiliate marketing tutorial. So if you are following my tutorial, now we have already made a website which looks something like this. Now we are going to remove these words and put a logo that we'll design by ourselves, and we'll also customize some menus here, and we'll put our privacy policy in below. We'll do all of these things step by step. So follow this tutorial properly. So firstly we need to visit to our website that is called www.canva.com. I'll put this link in the description. You can click that and open it. So you don't need to buy anything here. It is free. It is totally free, and we'll design our logo here. Just click on sign up with Google, and let me make it in English. So okay, now I can click on my, so I'm signing up with Google. So you can click on small business, and you don't need to try it for 30 days. You need to click on here maybe later, and you can skip this, and you can just click on logo, and you'll see this kind of page. Just cancel it and click on home. Okay, now we'll design a logo which we are going to put it at here. So to do so, click on create a design and click on custom dimension, and for this you need to put 350 width and 70 height. Just write these things and click on create design. So I'll also put these size links, this size, about this size in the description of this video. Just click on create a design, and you'll see it here. Now we need to add some text, so click on text and click on add a subheading, this one, and make it bigger from here to here. So because it may seem big here, but when we put it on our website, then it will see small. So let me put my website name. So what you can do is you can put the name of your domain here like this, or whatever name you want to put that is interesting, like anti-aging product review, email marketing tools reviews, or anything that makes sense to your website. So you can increase the size like this also, and we'll again put another, and I can write here best reviews related to, let's say, anti-aging product. So now I can make it a little bit bigger or smaller, that's up to me. I can simply increase the text length, text height. So this seems to be a little bit small. I'll copy this. If this thing happens, I'll just click on copy and click it here and press delete. It will be deleted, and make this pull it a little bit below and do Control Alt and Control B. So I have pasted it. So I'll make it also bold. So now I will change the color. To change the color of this black, I'll change this black color. I'll click here and type here gold. Now you can make any color that you want. It will easily be changed. So okay, I'll make this color, and here I'll increase this darkness. So now I can change the font of this text and design of this text. And for this I can make something like that. So I can increase or decrease the size of this box and put it in a I can make another color if I don't like that color. I can write it like this also. So you can just edit in whatever you want, whatever type of thing you are looking for here, you can do it. Everything for free on Canva. So now it seems like this. Now I'll click on here publish and click on download, and I'll click on download. So here I can see download is completed. Now I'll simply click on there, and here I can see my logo here. I'll press right click and cut, and I'll cancel it. I'll minimize it and I'll paste it here, and I'll name it logo. I've pasted it in my desktop. Now our logo seems something like this, which we'll put in our website. Now what we are going to do is, you can see here W. We are going to change this W to our own site icon. This is called site icon or fav icon. We are going to make this. Now to do that, just cancel it and go to home page and do here 100 width, 100 height, and create a design. Now as you can see, this is Canva's site icon. Now I can simply put a text here, any text I want. So my profitable website, I can put M here, sorry, capital M, and now I can increase the height. I can increase the height to its fullest. Now I can change the style of this. Okay, so I can make it like this. Now I'll change the color to silver. No, it doesn't seem good. Gold. make it like this, and it seems good for me. You can make similar kind of one word site icon. Okay, now I can click on here and click on download. So it is a simple thing. If you are doing for first time, it may be a little bit hard for you, but once you get used to about this, it will be far more easy for you. Sorry, download. I can click on this folder. I can right click and cut, and then I can do site icon. Okay, now our logo and site icon is ready. Now we'll go to this dashboard. You already know how you can come up to here. Now you can click on appearance and click on customize. So for now our website seems something like this. So once you click on customize, then you should click on site identity, and you can simply remove this, and hide site title, hide site tagline. Tick on these two and click on select logo, and you can click on upload files and select file, and here is our logo. Click on open, and you can click on select, and you can click on crop image. Similarly, come below, and here you can see site icon. Select site icon, and upload files, click on select file, and click on your site icon. Click on select, and you can see it will appear something like this. Click on crop image. Now you can simply click on publish, and if you reload this, you can see our logo is here, our site icon is here. Now we will make some menu here, like home page, about page, and about drop down and blog section here, and we'll also put privacy policy below. I'll teach you everything step by step.